Today I'm in Sabugal. Today we are going to film the castle of Sabugal, and we will begin with a very dynamic shot. We are going to move right and rotate left while moving up and tilting the camera down. Let's just get a little lower. And now move right and rotate left to create an orbit around the castle. And when you have managed to lock in the orbit, add the upwards and camera movement. Okay, next let's take advantage of the position we are currently in and capture a top-down view of the castle. Let's move the drone down first to start from a position where the castle fills the whole frame. Let's frame the castle. And now just move up. This was an easy one. Let's do something more challenging next. Let's do a compound shot. We will start with an orbit around the castle by moving left and rotating right until we reach the front of the castle. And then, when we are in front of the castle, we add a forwards and upwards movement, while also tilting the camera down. Let's frame the castle properly first. And why not increase the zoom to 2 times to enhance the parallax effect. Let's also move to the right to have a little runway. Perfect. And now move left and rotate right. And now add the forwards and upwards movement to the rotation, while also tilting the camera down. Holy moly, did you see those lens flares? Wow, just amazing. By the way, I have ND filters on. That's a big contributor to those lens flares. So if you want to get ones yourself, I will put a link to them in the video description. You probably also noticed that this shot was not perfect. There were some glitches along the way, and that's okay. What I recommend is to just keep moving and reframe the shot on the fly. In post, you can then try to stabilize the shot in your video editor, or just simply cut to the next scene. Moving on, next we will capture a shot where we will slowly reveal the landscape behind the castle. And we will do that by simply moving back while tilting the camera up. These types of shots are good for the final parts of the video. I mean, shots where you are moving backwards and moving away from your subject or point of interest. It gives you a feeling of departure. Next, let's get some detailed shots of the tower of the castle. For this, we will move left while rotating right and tilting the camera up. Okay, next let's also do an orbit around the tower, but with the goal of also revealing the village around the castle. For this I will move left, back and up, while also rotating right and tilting the camera down. And for our last shot, we are going to slowly reveal the castle. For this, we are only going to move back.
Let's now see an edited version of what we recorded today.